Alright everybody, what's up? It's the next day. It's actually 2 days later because it rained really bad yesterday, all day. We couldn't get nothing done. But it's a beautiful day. It's not too windy. The sun is up. Let's keep going on this Wickerbill. It's going to be awesome. First thing we got to do is mock up this Wickerbill exactly where we want it so we can drill our holes. That's what we're going to do first. Alright, here we go. There's no turning back now. Alright, let's see. Looks good. I think I got it centered finally. It took forever. But that was the important part. Let's get the holes drilled. Get some well nuts in there and get her on. That way I can measure for the holes for the centerpiece. That's the whole reason for this. Here we go. My holes are marked. Gonna take this tape off. Now we can screw it on. No more tape. Yay, no more tape. Okay. Now, my well nut, which is these rubber grommets. And then when you screw them in, they squeeze. Not permanent like rivets or rib nuts. Or more permanent. There we go. Okay. Nice. Now let's get our washers and our nuts. See, these are like beauty washers. They're concave and black. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. There. Okay. Wow. Oh. Yes. Yes. It's on there with bolts, actually. That's awesome. It's pretty sturdy, too. We're just gonna have to check this. This is the only thing I'm worried about, is this sticks out a little bit. I'm hoping I can open my trunk and close it without hitting this piece. We'll find out. That's part of it. It's an experiment to find out if that's possible. Alright, let's get that center section on. Get those holes located. This damn center section in there. Located. This is gonna go on this side, but I'm just doing this so I can drill the holes perfectly because it's curved, so it won't be the same. And then I can match it. When I sand it down, I can match it all together. That looks so good. I think we got it. Of course, that piece is going to stay clear. Just got to drill the holes, then we can take it back apart and start sanding. The bolts are just slightly too short. Oh my god, guys. The bolts are just slightly too short with the two pieces stacked. Well, you can kind of get an idea what it looks like. We're going to keep going. I'll just have to get longer bolts for the centerpiece. But I can at least put the other piece on once it's painted and sanded. So we're not done, it's just I won't be able to put that center section on later until I get longer bolts. Alright, let's take it all apart and keep going. Okay guys, we're back at the truck again. It's time to get some sanding done. See if we can't get it all, the edges even and smooth. I'm going to use these to connect all these pieces together so I can sand them together. That way the center section and the center of these all line up perfectly. So I'm going to do that first. Alright, here we go. This is what's going to help us get this thing into shape. Rotary tool power. Still got a long ways to go, but at least all that's even now. That's good. It's these that suck. Gouges I put in it. It's gonna suck to clean up. Alright guys, before I leave, I found some 80 grit in my closet. Let's see if that does anything if I drive all the way to Harbor. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. That was boring, huh? And hard. Now I gotta take it apart and just do this edge on the centerpiece. In this one, these could be drying, the primer could be drying on those, so let's do that. Let's go do some painting. Use this old swing set that I made. More sanding. Damn it. We forgot about this edge and this edge. Those being blocked by the center section. God, it suck. Some scratches in it, but not too bad. As you can see, it is a little windy. Let's hope. Shake. Yeah, they look spotty, but it's okay. That's just the first coat. All right, come on. Let's go do more sanding. Yay! You know what? I think I left my sanding block by the swing. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. Whew. Good. I'm gonna nip this corner real quick. Corner. Okay. Let's round them off. It's close. We're ready for a second coat. I'm just gonna go do that real quick. Alright guys, I took a minute to clean up there for a second, off camera. Speaking of camera, I hope there's not too much dust on there. I don't think so. Okay. While the second coat of primer was drying, cleaned up, and now we do the first coat of satin black. Boom. Also finished sanding that center section, so we're gonna take the plastic off of that and see how bad it is, how scratched up it is, etc. See if we're able to leave it clear. I hope so. I want to leave it clear. Yeah, I nicked it pretty good there with the Dremel. Shit. Suck. Besides that, I would have probably been okay. Yeah, that's a bummer. I don't know if you can see that. I'm sure you can. No, it's shadowy over here. It's late in the day, so that my house blocks the sun in the driveway. Late in the day. Man, besides that nick, this thing looks professional. Alright, well, I'm going to do a couple more coats on those hanging pieces, and I'll finish that up, and then I'll catch you guys when they're all dry and ready to install, and we'll go from there. Alright, see you in a minute. Alright guys, I got 3 coats on this Wickerbill of satin black, and I waited an hour and it's still just slightly tacky because we're running out of heat. The sun's going down. This took all day and they're just still not dry. So there they are, hanging there still. I just was touching on them a little on the edges, just slightly, and they're still ever so tacky. So I think I'm just gonna give them some more time to dry, and the sun's gonna go down. We ain't gonna be able to film no more here in a minute, so I guess I'll just catch you guys in the morning, and we'll finish this thing up, assemble it tomorrow morning, and I'm excited to see it. Alright, so I guess I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna let these things dry all night and let this paint harden. That way I don't mess them up trying to screw them in. Alright, so we'll continue in the morning. Peace. See ya.